Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. These two leaves cures chickenpox, measles, chronic heat, any kind of skin issue. Watch me as we go on with the procedures and you see the result in 3 to 5 days, believe me. So let's go. Around September, I noticed my first child has measles all over her body. And believe me, I did not panic because I know exactly what to do. So the first thing I did was to get these two leaves, and I know they are very effective. This is called iwe oruwo. You get the fresh one, not the dry one. Also, you get iwe ewuro, which we know as bitter leaf. So guys, I do say it a lot in my video, always wash your leaves either dry or wet, or let me say clean one, or fresh leaves. Always wash it with salt. It will wash all the germs thoroughly. Like you wash it like 3 times. Even you wash the salt away from the leaf. You taste the water until you feel that you are not feeling the salt again. That is when you feel like okay, it's only leaf that you need. Now you just need the salt to clean the leaves very well. Hope you understand that. Always wash your leaf because of germs, insect, dust, and so on. Do we get it now? So after washing it, then you squeeze the water out. With water, you add another clean water, you squeeze the water out. The leaf is very hard, but you just need the water. You just need the water you squeeze out from the leaf. So guys, don't let us forget the name of the leaf. The name of the leaf is called oruwo. As you can see here, the water is coming out. We are extracting the water bit by bit from the leaf. You squeeze it very well. You see that the water is changing. That is the water that you need. Once again, thank you for watching my channel. This is Rumi Apps, where you learn 1 or 2 to help your family at your comfort home. You learn 1 or 2 that are very effective. You don't get to learn something that is not working or is not useful. Do we get? This leaf is easily found around you. It's a big tree, and if you know the leaf very well, I've showed you the leaf like 3 times in my video. Kindly check. Then what we'll do now, you see now that it's very like it's okay now for us to sieve the water out. As you can see, the let me say the water has turned to like absolutely green. It will turn to absolutely green. So now it's time to sieve the water out. So guys, here I'll be sieving the water out. Then you make sure you squeeze it thoroughly to bring the water out like from the shaft, because the leaf has turned to shaft. So this shaft too, you might not want to throw it away. You can either mix it with black soap, black Ghana soap, the original one. When you get to a little ask for like black, like Ghana black soap. You see the difference. Don't just buy all this fungi soap and you say it's black soap. Buy correct black soap. So guys, this is the water we got from this away river. So you find a container, a clean container of your choice. Do we get a clean container of your choice? Then you put this water you sieve out from the away river. You put it inside and you set it aside, because this is not the only leaf that you are going to use to clear your child or you that you're having any skin issue. Do you understand? I said it's 2 leaves, so you do these 2 leaves separately. So let's watch as we do the second leaf, and stay tuned. Watch till end, like, comment on my video. Thank you. I will really appreciate if you share my video. Also, the new subscriber, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate. This is still the away or what I'm putting into the second container. You can make sure it's thick. Don't put too much water to squeeze out the water, so it will be more effective. So you can put this palm oil in order to preserve the the liquid so it won't get spoiled. You can also put it in your fridge, it will not get spoiled. So you understand. So it's a must, it's part of the cure. You have to put the epo is serves as arrow, because this leaf it used to scratch the body. Do you understand? This epo will not allow it to scratch body. So this is the bitter leaf. This is the bitter leaf. Then you have to squeeze this one too. This is me washing it thoroughly. You wash the ewuro thoroughly, the bitter leaf. You wash it thoroughly, because this leaves too, it carries insect a lot. It carries insect. Please wash it thoroughly. I keep saying that. Please wash your leaves thoroughly so you add to your issue. So you understand. Plus you are giving children or you are giving yourself. Do you understand? Thank you. Let's continue. Welcome back, guys. So I want to tell you, using this water leaf, all you will use to see squeeze the water out is not water. Is any white gin of your choice. For me, I prefer Igbo. I don't want to show it in the video. That is why I'm telling you this. You can use Igbo. You can use original and Shinap. Those are the two I know that are very effective for herbs. The rest I don't know, but you can use your preferred one. Use gin to squeeze the water out. Do we understand? So after squeezing, now you see that the water is black already, meaning the bitter leaf is mixed with the gin, and it has bring out what you need from the leaf. Then you sieve the gin out of the bitter leaf, and please don't throw away the shaft away yet. Do we understand? I'm still going to tell you what you use the shaft for. Do we get? So after you sieve the water out, then you see this shaft. This shaft, you will found, you take your child or you yourself, you take your child to the bathroom, you get palm oil, you rub it all over your body or the child's body, then use this leaf, add small black soap and use it to bathe the child. Do you understand? Should I say it again? Use this shaft to bathe the child after rubbing palm oil on the baby's body or you yourself. Do we get? Then use this shaft to bathe the baby with the black soap that you are putting inside this ewuro. So after you squeeze it out the shaft, then you bath with it. You see this water, then use it to rub the baby body after bathing the baby that day that you are squeezing this water out. Then because it dries easily, this ewuro, just use it to rub the baby's body. And you know this cover, the cover of the Ragulis bottle, then you give it to the baby to drink. If you're an adult, you take 3 spoons of it. Do we understand? As for this ewuro. Okay guys, after squeezing the water out, please, you find a dry container, a Ragulis water that there is no water in it. You put this what is it called, this gin and the ewuro inside. So after squeezing it, please, I forgot to tell you firstly, please, the 2 leaves, don't put it on the floor. You can put it on in your cupboard, or it should not be on the floor because it will get spoiled. Don't put it on the floor again. From the day that you squeeze the 2 water out, don't put it on the floor again. Find a safe place. It can be in your cupboard, not toilet, please. Okay guys, this is me showing you my own black soap that I mixed the away oruwo with. So this is the black soap. I make it watery because you at that time you can't use sponge to bath, so you use it to rub your body for some minutes, then you bath it like a body wash. So guys, with these 2 leaves, I believe you can be able to cure yourself from your comfort home with any skin reaction. Do we understand? Any skin issue, you'll be able to cure yourself or your child. So this will be the end of this video. I really appreciate my existing subscriber. If you're a new subscriber, kindly share, turn the notification button, subscribe to my channel, because this is the channel where you get to learn 1 or 2 apps that are very useful for you and your family. Thank you once again, and I really appreciate for you getting me this far. So this is me saying Rumi app is so grateful. Bye.